Hi, friends. Boop. Oh, we got ourselves some Pikmi Pops today. Yay, Elsa, look. We've got 12 plus surprises inside. Oh my gosh.
Wait.
Are you excited,
Yeah,
Elsa?
let's jump down.
Let's jump on down. You first.
I'll go on here.
Oh, okay. Whoop. Whee! Oh my god, Elsa. Oh my goodness. We've got all new characters.
Let's open.
We got how many? Look. 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Let's turn the box around and see. Wow! Wow, I wonder which 6 we're going to find. So we definitely get 6, right? And what is the 30 one? 30 new characters.
Squishies.
Ooh, look at all the accessories it comes with.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, Elsa. Okay.
Look at the nails.
What? Oh my gosh, there's nails. Okay, you want to do the honors? Okay, let's definitely open it. Here we go. Come on. Elsa, look at all these question mark Pikmi
Now
Pops.
let's open them.
Oh, I'm excited. Which one shall we open? That one. Woo! Big ones first. Oh, exciting. Woohoo! We are almost there. I'm so excited. What can it be? Oh, we're gonna get 6. Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? We've got. Oh. Is there a name to this?
No.
Okay, well, we got one right here. I'm going to put it on my lap right here because it matches my outfit. Green, right?
Wait.
What is it?
Look what I got.
What is it?
It's names.
Oh my god, there's names. This said it's Pucker the Bear.
Oh, what's this one say?
That one? Do you know how to read, Elsa? Not yet.
No.
This is Patty the betta fish. Hey, Patty matches your dress and Pucker matches mine. Okay, what's in that bag? That is so adorable.
That doesn't match. It's really cute.
Oh my gosh, that's so cute. We're definitely going to have to use
Wait,
that brush.
Wait, let's keep in a pile. Like,
Ooh, I like that. That's an excellent idea, Elsa. Okay,
oh.
next. Ooh.
I hope this one matches me.
Oh! Oh, there's, who's that? Patty, right?
It's pretty.
Oh my god, that totally matches your dress. Oh, yay! Look, let's put it. She should go on your dress. Oh my god, and your picture too, right? How awesome is that? Our first blind bag opening, it matches my dress, and yours matches yours.
What's this one?
Ooh, okay. What is that? What is that?
I don't know.
Whoop. Well, that was easy.
Oh,
What is it? Oh my god, I love stickers.
I see blue one.
Can I see? Oh my gosh. What is it? There's a blue. Oh my god, there's stickers of the dolls we got. The Pikmi dolls.
Yeah.
How adorable. We'll put it in the pile. Okay, what's next? What's next? Oop, there we go. Zzz.
I see something.
What is that? Is that some sort of charm? Octopus?
Yes.
I think it's a BFF charm. Do you know what BFF stands for?
Yeah.
Best friends forever. So one for you and one for me. Let's hope we get another charm. What's next?
I guess it's this one. I got this one.
Yeah.
Oh, I think 7 in here.
Oh my gosh, what is it? What is it? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
It's a bunny.
Oh, okay. Wait, hold on. What just happened? This bunny just came out of that? Oh, it's like a baby bunny with, it's like those little Russian dolls, right? Oh, if that bunny fits inside that bunny, how cute. Okay, moving on to the next one. Let's see. How do we open? How do we open? There it is. There we go. Oh, Elsa. Oh, what is it? What is it? Oh my gosh, what is it? Let me see. Oh my god, that is so adorable. Friends. Okay, we're going to add it to our sticker pile. Look at
Let's finish these, then open them.
Ooh, so many. So we're going to open the little eggs first? All right. There we go. Dump that out. We got one blind bag on that one.
I feel something.
Ooh, can I feel? Oh my gosh. Definitely, it's hard. It's hard. What can it be? So exciting. I love being surprised. Do you like being surprised?
Yeah.
What is it? Whoa, that is so...
Look.
What is it? Hold on, let me zoom in. Oh my gosh, it's like a little lemon. Oh, it has a little hole on the bottom. Do you think it's for a pencil? Yeah, it's like a pencil topper. How adorable.
That was easy.
That was easy to open. Oh, what can it be? I love surprise. Oh my goodness. We are totally doing our nails, girlfriend, right?
Yeah.
Which design do you like the best?
I think I like this one.
I like this one with the little bubbles. And this one's cute with the face. Oh,
And I like this one.
I like everything. Twins. We are twins. That's why we're best friends. And cousins. Oh, one more. That was easy.
Yeah, you should get it.
That was, whoa, this has two extra blind bags. What?
Wait. Oh, I didn't know what. I think I see a face.
A face? Ooh, what kind of face? Ooh, oh, it's a little bunny rabbit. Oh, it matches this other charm. This is the octopus. Oh.
Let's
add it together. That means, hey, you get a charm and I get a charm, right?
That's one more.
Ooh.
I hope it be stickers.
I want stickers. I like stickers. Who doesn't like stickers? What is it? Were you right, Elsa? What are they? Are they stickers? Oh my god, look, it's a boy and a girl, blue and pink. I like blue.
I like pink.
Perfect. What's next?
Let's do this.
Another yellow one. Whoa, you're getting good at this. It just kind of pops right open, right?
Wait, let's open this one.
Does it feel, why? Is it a big one?
It feels hard.
It feels hard? Okay, so it's not a soft one. What can it be? Another character? What? What just dropped? What is that?
It's a lemon clip.
Let me see. Oh my goodness. Elsa, you got to put that in your hair right now. Put it in your hair. Oh my goodness.
It's too big.
You have to put it in mine. Adorable. I love it.
You got it there.
Okay, we'll leave it there for now.
Let me put
The face. I hope it's a cute face. Oh, another charm. We gotta give. Who should we give this to?
Rapunzel.
Ooh, Rapunzel. Oh my gosh, she's my best friend too, right? Our best friends. That's so cute. Okay, let's put it down with our other charm.
Now, which one should I open?
Whoa, we have so many. Okay, let's open that one. Oh, peel the outer layer. Whoa! Whoa! That just burst out. Yeah, that is the base, right? There we go. It's a little stand.
Yes.
We'll put that right here. Okay. All right. Okay.
Ooh, I gotta open it. Ooh.
Ooh. What is it? What? Whoa! Okay.
Anything else?
I think those are just like
Oh!
more cards of what? Oh, yeah, those are the friends that we got, right? The boy and the girl, Flips, and what's the blue one? Lessie. Okay, Flips and Lessie. And this is just a card, right?
A collector!
A collector's
Oh,
card.
they have this and this.
Cool.
Sushi smell plates.
Yeah, I know. Okay, we'll read that later, okay?
Yeah.
Put that in a pile of goodies.
We should get stuff and put it in here.
Oh. Is it soft?
Oh my god!
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, that's so darling. That's so darling. Aww. Look at the adorable face.
And it is so cute.
Okay, let's smell it. Let's smell it. What does it smell like?
Such a strawberry.
Let me smell it. Ooh, strawberries. And I love the
This
gold.
match me.
It matches you.
I hope this one matches you.
Oh, I hope it matches me.
I hope it's pink. I love pink.
Oh, whatever it is, I love it. Oh, it is pink. How'd you know? Oh my god, it's pink and green. My favorite because I'm wearing green and I got pink flowers. Let's see the adorable face. Oh, I love
Can I see
it.
these?
I do. Is that shimmery butterflies on the back?
Mm-hmm.
Is that shimmering
Let
butterflies?
me smell it.
Okay, let me. Okay, smell it.
Oh, it smells like this one.
Oh my god, then it's perfect for me. Aww. Well, I'll put that there. All right, last Pikmi pop.
Oh, it matches with me.
Oh, I wonder what we're gonna get.
No, it's not.
Well, that was easy. Pop. Whoa. All right. So we got the base over there. Snap that back together and let's set that up. Okay, very cool. Whoa.
Yeah, I look.
We got the pink one. Here's that one. You have the base. There we
And
go.
we need the top.
And the top. Very cool.
And the brush.
Oh my
Ta-da! Happy and sad.
Oh my gosh. They do have changing faces. Let's see happy again.
Okay, happy.
Ta-da! Happy and sad.
Let's add it here.
Aww.
Next,
How many more blind bags do we have?
I guess so we get the 2 more.
Ooh. Okay, what is that?
Oh.
Oh, more name tags. That's an indication of what we're going to get. So I think we're going to get some more. Let's see those name tags. We've got Boops, which is like a bunny rabbit. It's eating a chocolate. Boops. I like their name, Boops. It's like eating a chocolate donut. Boops.
Okay, so now this one.
Ooh, I think we should do any, mini, money, mo.
Okay. Eeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by the tail. You did Howard, let it go. Eeny, miny, mo.
All right.
We didn't have that.
Okay. Wow, everything smells so yummy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
It smells like
Oh
chocolate.
my gosh.
It
I
smells
could
chocolate.
smell the chocolate and it has cute little hearts all over. It has hearts. I love that. Oh my gosh, Elsa, you love donuts and Valentine. Perfect for you. And we love chocolate. Totally smells like chocolate. Last but not least.
Actually, them are all mine, but I could share them with you.
Sharing is good. Oh, it's like a koala, right? With ears? Cute. What does that smell like?
It smells like lemon.
Lemons! We like lemons. It's healthy for us.
Yeah. Hey,
Wow.
I have a good idea.
What's our good
We
idea?
should keep these in a pile, like one pile. It goes together.
Okay, so we'll put all of our stickers there.
And these names.
And those names over there because we need name tags so we know what to call them, right? Let's see what we
And
got.
pictures.
Let's see. So we've got,
Let's open it up.
open it up. Thank you, thank you.
Let's see if we got anything here.
Did we?
Oh, we got something.
What is it?
This one.
So that is Boops the bunny. Hi, Boops. Nice to meet you. What else do we get?
Oh,
What is that? Oh, Patty the betta fish. I love betta fishes. Oh, we also got Yuki. Right? Where Yuki? Come on out. Hi. Oh, okay. And then we didn't get that.
oh, we got that.
Oh, okay. Who else do we have? We have Flips the turtle. Where's Flips in here? Is he considered rare or common? Oh, not common. Where's Flips? Ultra rare. Oh my goodness. We got Flips. I knew she was special because she's shiny. Look at this shiny. Yeah, she's ultra rare. Wow. Whoa. Okay, who else do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, get in there. Bye-bye. You guys be friends. Have fun.
I like the pink one. I really like the blue one, honey. Yeah. Right?
I do.
I like pink a lot.
Cool. Now they're nice and safe. Can we put the little bunny back inside?
Bunny.
This one in there. Okay.
Okay.
Pop. So she's also nice and safe.
Oh, we should add 2 in.
Will they fit?
I don't know.
Only one way to find out.
Wait, first is this one. Let's see.
No, it won't fit. No. Womp womp. There we go. Cute.
That's the wrong way.
Shake.
Wait.
Cool.
We should add it with this one.
Okay.
There's a bunny in here.
Do you like bunny? Gosh, Elsa, everything's so adorable. Oh, Elsa, your bangs. Let's use one of the combs, okay?
Okay.
Which one?
This one's mine.
Okay, let's comb out your bangs. There we go. Whew, thank gosh we have a comb, right? Good. Elsa, I like what you did to your hair. You have a lemon growing out of it.
Wait, we should. Oh, I'm hungry.
Ooh, what are you hungry for? What? What?
You have the food.
Oh, sticker food.
Let's eat it.
Ooh, but look, let's do our nails. Let's definitely do nails. Come on. Okay, let's put it, Let's open it. Okay, let's put them on. Let's see your beautiful nails. Wow. They look so colorful and long. Oh my gosh. Okay, which fingernail is your favorite?
All of them.
Whoa, good answer. I can't choose either. That's amazing. Whoa, so long. Go like this. Wow. They look fabulous. I've never seen better looking nails. Those are the best nails ever. So let us say goodbye. We're going to hang out and have more fun with your nails and the stickers and the combs and the little cars and, of course, the cool little Pikmis.
Yeah.
Okay, bye, friends.
Bye.
Hi, this is Elsa and Anya. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you guys soon. Bye.